I am Damien. Welcome to Pulling Money Trading. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, help me to make more videos, right? FX trading, how to calculate a lot size. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depend on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. How to calculate your lot size. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify what is a lot size, outline the different types of lot size, apply the principles of calculating your lot size. Lot size. How to calculate your lot size. What is a lot size? A lot size is the amount of contract per currency pair a trader purchases. A lot size is also referred to as an amount of unit purchase, right? Types of lot size. Standard lot, which is 100,000 per contract size, right? Which is $1, right? Mini lot, 10,000 per contract size, which is 0.10 cent, right? Micro lot, 1,000 per contract size, which is 0.01. Nano lot, 100 per contract size, which is 0.001. What this means is that for every 100,000 unit with a standard lot, each time the market move 1 pip, you either profit $1 or lose $1. In some currency pair, it's $10, right? That is what it means, right? So each time the market move when you are using a standard lot, right? If the market move in your favor, you earn $1 per pip. If the market move against you, you lose $1 per pip, right? And each 100,000, which is a contract size, right? $1 control every 100,000 contract size, right? So if you have a $2 contract size, it would be 200,000 unit of currency you're controlling with $2 standard lot. And the same thing for the mini lot, micro lot, and nano lot, right? How they come, the 10 cent per 10,000 contract size, the 10 cent is given, just like you would have a car selling for a particular price. The 10 cent is given, but how they come about the 10 cent, you move the decimal, the point, 2 places, right? 1, 0.10. So that's how you get the 10 cent. The $1, you always move the decimal point 2 places back. 1, 2, you get the $1, right? For the 0.01, which is a micro lot, you move the point 2 places back. 1, which is a 0, 1, right? And another 0 in front, which is 0.01, right? So the decimal place is always from the whole number, you move it 2 points back. So 1, 0, 1 again, another 0. You understand? Point 0, 0.001. So that is what the contract size, the lot size is all about. However, you don't need to concern yourself with all this, because in the app, the lot size is already calculated. So all you have to do is just put in the amount you want, whether it will be, if you're trading a micro lot, if you want to use a 1 cent lot, you put in 1 cent. If you want to use a 2 cent, you put in use 2 cent. You don't have to worry about the calculating of this, because it is already set in the trading app. Right, let's move on. Formula for calculating your lot size. This is what you need to concern yourself with, right? Lot size equal the risk divided by the price, right? So the amount of pip that you're risking divided by the price that you're willing to pay for that risk, and you will get your lot size. So if you have an account balance of $10,000, right, 2%. Remember, in our previous videos, we said don't risk more than 2% of your account balance. That is where the 2% come from. We are risking no more than 2% of this $10,000. So 2% of this $10,000 is equal to $200, right? So with a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, right? If we are risking 100 pip to make 300 pip, right? What we would do is, the formula for the lot size is lot size, which is equal to the 100 pip risk that we are risking, divide by the price, which is 200. So we divide the risk by the price, which is 200, right? Equal 0.05 microlot, right? So that is how you get your lot size for this particular trade, right? So you have your account balance, you find 2% of it, which is 200, right? We are risking 100 pip to make 300 pip, right? So when we divide 100 pip, right, by $200, which is the percentage risk, percentage price, we end up with a lot size of 0.05 microlot. So this is what the lot size we would use for this particular trade. Any question, feel free to put it in the comment section. Right, so that is how you calculate your lot size. Right, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Okay.